Today I will show you the one of the most beautiful masjid. My God, I'm in finally my dream destination. ড্রিম ডেস্টিনেশন না, আমি অনেক দিন ধরে আসবো করে মানে আমার আশা হচ্ছিল না কোনো না কোনো রিজনে। সো ফাইনালি এই মসজিদটা এত বেশি সুন্দর, মানে আপনি চোখের সামনে না দেখলে বিলিভ করবেন না। সো আমি আসলে মসজিদটা নিয়ে কোনো আহামরি ইতিহাস জানি না, বাট এক্সকিউজ মি, where are you from? Where are you from?
China.
Do you know about the history about this mosque? You don't know. You come from China? Oh, I'm from Bangladesh.
Hello. Help you take a photo?
No, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, ওনারাও জানা আসলে এটার হিস্ট্রি সম্বন্ধে, উনিও ভিজিট করতে আসছে। আরে this is my friend. What's your name? I forget your name, bro. Ahmed. Where are you from?
I'm from Yemen.
Do you know, guys, we live in together in one place, one home, but we never see each other almost 2 months, bro.
2 months, yeah. It's a
So
long time.
busy,
It's
so
a long
busy
time.
abroad life. So what about the place? Do you like
visit this place, no? We want to see beautiful sea.
See, guys, see. One of the most beautiful. Bro, do you know when I'm from Chittagong, so when I meet with someone in my friend circle, like you also my friend, so obviously we say Sudanir for Alad for Allah. Do you know what is the mean? This is the mean of love.
Okay.
Yeah, in my country, if we meet someone like my friend, your friend. Hi, yes, Sudanir.
Sunaniva.
Sudanir.
What? Again?
You see, Sudanir for.
Sudaniva.
Yeah.
Sudaniva.
This is so like
what mean?
satisfaction.
Exactly what
Yeah,
you mean.
it's the mean of love.
Love.
And you love your friend like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Sudanirullah.
Sudanirullah.
You want to change it? I give him not yet, but I take Thob. You know Thob. It's Saudi,
yeah, you have.
yeah, I have that.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe now he changed.
So finally, our look change. Thank you, bro. Bro, what? My hair gone. Wait, this is like this.
Yeah.
Now okay?
Because no have the way from that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now full habibi, but too long. Now okay. Bro, thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's okay.
We're going inside right now. Yeah, sure. But if you come like you were আপনি যদি এখানে আসেন আপনাদের এই ধরনের ড্রেস পরা লাগবে, বিকজ এটা হচ্ছে একটা মসজিদ। সো অবভিয়াসলি যেরকম সেরকম কাপড় পরে আসা যাবে না। আমি জাস্ট আপনাদেরকে এই জিনিসটা দেখাইতে আসছি। সবাই আমাকে মনে করতেছে সৌদি আরবের, আমাকে যে সালাম টালাম দিয়ে উড়াই ফেলতেছে। Everyone think I'm from Saudi Arabia, bro. For you. Outfit demand. Just I don't have any gold in my pocket.